All right, let me ask you guys, are you with me? Are you with me, everybody? Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, guys. Yes, yes. So many persons are with me and everyone can hear me. And I believe everybody can see my screen. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I think we have some questions now. So let me answer your questions before we move ahead. Someone said, is there an account management in CJC? Okay, I understand what you're trying to say, that like, are we managing funds for people in CJC? The answer is no. We are a brokerage firm. We are not fund management company. But if you need traders who can trade on your behalf or who can trade for you, then we can recommend some. We can recommend some traders who can trade for you. But our recommendation is not a guarantee. Do you understand? You can ask questions, you can ask for statements, trading histories, and do your own search, like your own, you understand, like your own personal search, do your own thing, ask questions, then reach agreement, probably sign a written agreement with the trader. And every decision you take with the trader is your own personal decision and it's not influenced by CJC. CJC is not sharing money. CJC is not sharing any profit with you guys. We're just like trying to give a helping hand. And on the flip side, we have what is called copy trade at CJC. So you can use our copy trade system. Okay, copy trade, it's also called social trading. It's very simple. Yours is just to open a trading account, fund the account, then go to the copy trading system and look for a good trader and follow the trader. Just like you follow people on Twitter, follow on Instagram. Very simple. Just follow, and immediately you follow, whatsoever the expert is doing on his account is replicated on your account. And as the expert makes money, you make money also. So this is also a very simple way to make money. You don't have anybody to argue with. And if you see that the person is not doing fine, how do you know? You see a lot of reds, okay? And in the copy trading system, you can set your lot size to a very small lot size to study the person first, like you use 0.01 fixed lot size to study what the person is doing, okay? You may have $1,000, you may have $2,000 or so, but I advise you start with 0.01 to study what the person is doing. Once you see, okay, this person is having more of blues, and that's good result, positive result, then you can now increase your lot size. And anytime you want to unfollow any trader, very easy, just go back to the portal and click unfollow, just a click. And you're done. So that is very good for you and it's going to really help you. Someone said, please, I have $300 account and can I do copy trade with until I am perfect to trade on my own? Have my account will not be blown up. You promised to drop the daily analysis video, but no trace. Help. Oh, I'm sorry. So busy yesterday. We're all about celebrating CJC 1 year in Nigeria. And it was a busy day and it was a very good celebration. And it was a nice day and we were so happy. But don't worry, today I'm going to do that. I'll drop the link. I've not even uploaded the videos to my channel. I will upload the videos, then I'll drop the link for you guys to always go there to see it. Okay. All right. And a recap, please. Okay, at Joyce, definitely I should do that because I didn't record all this from the beginning, so I'm going to do a recap. But for $300 copy trading, amounts you are going to use to copy a trade depends on the provider. That is the trader. The trader on our own social trading platform, the trader can specify the minimum amount for a trader to copy their trade. You know, everybody has different trading styles and a requirement for the trading. So if the traders decide that the minimum to copy his or her trade is $50 and $500, then $300 will not go. But if you said the minimum is $100, then your $300 will go. But I advise you, you said, hope my account will not be blown up. I advise you to start with 0.01, 0.01. That's my advice. I advise you to start with 0.01. It's very, very important. And also you can ask for CJC bonus, which may help. Okay, you can ask for CJC bonus, 100% bonus. Okay, we give 100% bonus in this our anniversary period. Is something you should take advantage of. Okay, open an account with CJC and ask for your 100% bonus, which will be added to your money, and with that, your trading will do well. All right. If today is the first time you're joining us, welcome to CJC Market Family, where we hold the hands of our clients and we move together in the market. Someone said, please say I sent email to company email, yet no reply. We should always be regular updates on either change in account or dollar. Please, that gives more confidence to us. What is the correct dollar exchange rate? I need to fund my account. Oh, sorry, our current dollar exchange rate is 490. We're doing 490. We know some companies are out there doing 510, 515, but we're doing 490 to make it easier for our client to fund. So that's the current funding rate, 490. Please fund your account ASAP. We don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. People are saying dollar may go to 600 or 550. So please fund your account ASAP so that you can trade and make good money, because once dollar flies to 600, you know, every single dollar you make becomes 600 naira. And if you make $10 a day, that is 6,000. And if you make $20 a day, what is that? That is 12,000 every single day. And that is very nice. What is the fee for the copy trade? Like, no, we don't take fee. If you're going to pay anything, it should be to the trader, and you are not paying the trader handy, is automatically subtracted from the profit made. Okay, it's to the trader. We don't take any fee. CJC don't take any fee from you. Okay, all right. So if you are paying any fee, it's to the trader, and is the trader, before you even follow the trader, you will see it, the write-up and everything, the sharing percentage will be there. We don't allow traders to do higher than 30%. So some traders sharing percentage maybe 30, 70, 70 goes to you, 30 to the trader. Some 20, 80, 80 to you, 20 to the traders. So different trader with different requirements, you understand? All right, so that is that. Okay, and someone said, what are the modalities for the 100% bonus? Minimum of $100 deposit, that's all, minimum of $100 deposit. So when you come, you can easily get our bonus, and you are not going to struggle with getting the bonus. In fact, you fund your account today, you can get the bonus today. All right, thank you very much, guys. Let's go to, someone said I should take a recap of all this. If you have more questions, drop the question. I'm going to answer your questions. Okay, can you give us your phone number? Someone said in the chat box, good morning, sir, and everyone class. Yes, so I never get my account manager. I mean the person that will guide me. Oh, if you have opened an account, and if you've not gotten an account manager, I will take a look at all this today. You are definitely going to get an account manager, which we call you. And if this is the first time you're joining us and you want to be part of CJC Market Family, I'm going to send these details to you. Please just follow this. I'm trying to copy it now so that I can send to everyone. All right, so this is it. You can see the first link is our Telegram link. The first link is our Telegram link. The second link is the link you can use to open a trading account with us. Okay, then the phone number is the number you can send your name and location. Please add analysis or market outlook to it. Market outlook, your name, your location to that number. So once you send your name and location to that number, we will give all this data to an account manager, an account officer that will follow you up, somebody you can always talk to 24/7. All right, so that's the phone number. That's the Telegram link. You can click on that Telegram link to join our Telegram. We have thousands of persons there already. And this is the link for you to open a trading account. Okay, you can click on that link and open a trading account, okay, easily. Probably I should separate it so that it will be easy for you guys to click on. All right, so that's that on that. A little recap of what we have done, because I see a lot of people are just joining us. A little recap of what we've discussed. We look at the fundamentals this morning, and we said in our fundamentals, retail sales is passed already. That's by 2:30 a.m. We see that the figures are not different. The same thing, minus 1.8, minus 1.8, and that has not had any impact on the market. All right. So, and also if you look at it again this morning, we have a lot of PMIs. Okay, service PMI, Italian service PMI, French finance service PMI, German finance service PMI, finance service PMI, and we see finance service PMI for GBP also. So we have a lot of PMIs this morning affecting the euro. and this one affecting GBP. So if the actual is released and better than the forecast, then you are going to see a positive move. That euro will be strengthening and every euro pair will go up. But if you see a negative, I mean, if you see figures that are released and they are lower than the forecast, then it's going to affect euro negatively and euro will fall, okay? And euro pairs will fall. That's euro USD, euro AUD, euro, okay? All those euro guys will drop. But before you go for a sell or a buy, make sure that the difference between the forecast and the actual is much. Okay, that is why you must attend any of our trainings, any of our fundamental training where you will learn all this. So we have classes, free classes, advanced classes, online and offline. Just send name and location to that phone number and tell us what you want. Is it copy trade? Is it bonuses? Is it signals? Minimum funding for our signals is $500. Then you receive free signals every single day. Then is it signals you want? Any of this you want, just send it to that phone number and we'll give the details to an account officer that will call you and will be able to guide you through all this. All right, 115, we have ADP non-farm employment change. And we, from the forecast compared to previous, we are saying that there's likely going to be an increase. This is number of jobs added to the US economy, 695,000 jobs added in the previous month. So we are waiting for the actual. If the actual is better than the forecast, okay? If the actual is better than the expectation, another name for forecast is expectation. If the actual is better than the expectation, then dollar will be strengthening. It will be very good for dollar. And you know, ADP, non-farm employment change, is something that is giving us insight into what's going to happen in non-farm payroll. All right, so we are watching out for this. If we see something like 700,000 jobs, that is better than the forecast, dollar will be strengthened. If you see something like 750,000 jobs, that's better than forecast, dollar will be strengthened. But if you see something like 600,000 or 500,000 or lower, then that will be bad for the dollars, okay? Then we see IXM service PMI. This is also a PMI figure, purchasing manager index. Okay, if this figure is better than the forecast, better than the expectation, dollar will be strengthening. If it's worse than expectation, then dollar will be weakened. Okay, so that is that on fundamentals. Okay, this morning. Let's go on to our technical class. I see some people drop questions here. Also, please let me quickly look at all this before we go on. Can the bonus of 100% last till next week? Grab it now when it's available. All right, what is the website for the copy trader? Please send this question to that phone number I dropped, okay? And we will get in touch with you. Good morning, sir. I'll suggest a frequently asked question on CJC website where most of the answers to these questions will be so that the daily market analysis time will be optimized. Okay. Okay. Yes, I understand. I understand what you're trying to say, but real-time question and answer is also very nice. All right. I know that you want to go and trade. What's the meaning of the PMI, Purchasing Manager Index, and how do they affect the trade? I've explained that already. So let's optimize the time as someone has suggested. Let's go to our technical analysis and check what is going to likely happen today. I believe everyone can see my screen. If you can see my screen, kindly type yes. Can you see my screen? If you can see my screen, type yes. I'm waiting to see your yes so that we know we're together. All right, so a lot of people can see my screen and they can hear my voice. All right, good. Thank you very much, everybody. All right, so this is daily charts for Euro USD. This is a daily chart for Euro USD. Okay, daily chart for Euro USD. And we can see Euro USD has been trading within this range for some days now. Okay, this is a day, another day, another day, another day. So Euro USD has been trading within this range. So that is a kind of ranging market for some days. Since last week till now, it has been a kind of ranging market in this region. So what we'll be expecting is Euro USD breaking out of this region. That is what we'll be expecting today. It might happen today. It might also range within this region today, but very soon it's going to break out. Probably a fundamental news will cause that to happen. And we see resistance at 1.1900. Please put this down. That's a resistance for Euro today, 1.1900. And we see the support at 1.1850. 1.1850. These are the two areas we are going to be watching out for and ensure that market breaks out of this or tending towards this. You can take a short trade, or moving down towards the support, you can take a short trade. But the more confident trade is when market breaks out of 1.1900 on lower time frame, probably on 1 hour or on daily time frame. Once this happens, it is time to trade it to this target of 1.1975. That's a target, 1.1975. If market breaks out, if price breaks out of 1.1900. Okay, on the flip side, if price go below 1.1850, we are going to target 1.1770. All right. So, but before we leave Euro USD, let's look at lower time frame and see possible outlook of this lower time frame. What we can see. If you're not seeing anything on 4 hours, I would like to go to 1 hour to see. Okay, just give me some time. I'd like to go to 1 hour to see. All right, this is 1 hour time frame. So from 1 hour, I can see probably I have where I can easily put my trend line. You can see I love trend lines. The trend line is yours too. So this is what I got from here. I believe you guys are seeing this. This is what I got from here. So this formed a pattern for me. Very good one. This formed a pattern for me. And with this, I'll be able to set a trap. I've been able to set a trap for this market. All right. So we are going to wait until there is a breakout of this pattern. Please wait until there is a breakout. Do nothing on Euro. Even probably the PMIs are very good or very bad. But if they are not that good or not that bad, it will be ranging with it. But if they are very good, this will break out of this. That's opportunity. Once it breaks out of this, you can take a short trade to this guy. And okay, that is too short. Once it breaks out of this, wait for it to go above this 1.1900. Please wait for it to go above this 1.1900. Then it will be a very good time to trade this up. On the flip side, if it goes down, wait for it to break below these guys, okay? Break below this trend line and break below this 1.1850, then it's a good time to sell it down, all right? So that is Euro USD this morning, okay? A very good one for us and a very good trap and a very good chart pattern waiting there to be activated, all right? That's Euro USD. So let's go to GBP UXD. Okay, this is GBP USD this morning, and we see strength. We see some level of strength in GBP USD this morning. Yesterday, we were expecting bearishness for GBP USD, but you remember I said we are going to take a bearish trade when market breaks below 1.3870, but that did not happen. Market did not break below 1.3870. All right, so now it's having some level of bullishness in it, and for me, GBP bias today is neutral to bullish. That's a bias, neutral to bullish. And if it breaks out of 1.3930, which is doing presently, okay, it's at that point now. If we go to if it breaks above this 1.3930, then we can trade that to 3990 area, 3990 area. Even it might even extend to 1.4000 level. 1.400 level. Okay, so that is that for this. That should give us about 60 pips if market close above 1.3930. But we'll take a look at it on 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. So you can see 4 hours there struggling with that point. So if 4 hours close above this point, above that red line 3930, then it's time for us to go long. It's time for us to go long to touch 1.3990, then it might extend to 1.4000 level. All right. So if I go to lower time frame, probably I may see something where I can fix trend lines or so. I told you I love trend lines. For me, that's my best. Right. So if I pick this and probably do something like this, okay, it's a weak one, but it's also very good. It's a weak trend line, but very good also. Okay, you can see this has broken out of trend line. If you look at 1 hour time frame, this has also broken out of it has closed above 3930. If you look at 1 hour, you can see it has closed above 3930 based on 1 hour analysis. All right. And on this other side too, I don't know, this will be fine. Okay, it's good. It touched 3 points or so. So this on these two, you can see this pattern is formed here, and you see what price has done. So this is also a very good one that one can take based on 1 hour time frame analysis. Remember, market, if you are trading on 1 hour time frame analysis, be a little bit careful and ensure your stop loss is very good. Then this can be your target on this. First, take this, keep it in your pocket, then wait for a break above 1.3980 or 90, then you can move higher with that again. So you can see price 1 hour time came back to 1.39 and try to test that 1.3930 again. So that is giving us a very good opportunity there. All right, the next one is AUD UXD is my next pair I'm looking at. You can see it's a little bit neutral this morning. AUD USD is neutral, and though it has some level of bullishness, so neutral to bullishness on there. And I have some levels we are going to watch out for. Number one level is 0.7420. Level 7420 is our number one level. We're going to watch out 7420 level. Okay, that's my level, 7420 level. If price breaks above 7420, then we should expect price to move higher to 7490, 7490 level, 7490 level. So you can see that is for AUD UXD this morning. Okay, on the flip side, if that point is rejected, if there's a rejection at 7420 level, then we can see a drop back to this level. So let's go to lower time frame, 4 hours, and see how this will look like. We saw this yesterday, and I was able to draw a kind of ascending channel yesterday for this guy at this point. I think I drew something like this yesterday, kind of ascending channel for AUD USD yesterday. I will see price is still trading within that channel. Price is still trading within that channel. And for now, I will suggest you hold on and see what price is likely going to do. But I think price is going to hit this up, then take a decision. So price might take one of these two decisions, hit this top, reverse and come down, or hit this top, breaks out of it and go higher and touch our target. Okay, so we wait patiently and see what price is going to do. If price hits this point and reverse, then we are going to see, we must see a reversal candlestick pattern, maybe a pin bar, or maybe bearish engulfing candlestick, any of the bearish reversal candlestick, either single candlestick reversal pattern or double candlestick reversal, or triple candlestick reversal. Any of the three we see here, either on 4 hours or on 1 hour time frame, will be a very good one for us to take a very proper trading decision, to be a good one for us to take a very proper trading decision. Okay, so that is AUD USD. We are still waiting to see what market is likely going to do before we follow. All right, so the next one, because of our time, is NZD UXD. NZD USD, this was a pattern we drew yesterday, and you see we were expecting to hit this point and reverse, which it did, reverse a bit, but later, because of the employment figure that was released, it gained strength, and look at what happened. AUD broke out of this trend line, and up is going. Can you see up is going? If you have taken advantage of that, you should be in some profit by now. You should be in some profit by now. That is NZD USD, bullish bias for NZD USD. That's my bias this day. Let's look at the daily time frame. Bullish bias, it has really moved, but we are looking at target of 7100. That is the target I'm looking at today, 7100. It has really moved. Target 7100. So if you are still in this trade, hold on. If you are in it since yesterday, hold on please don't leave. It's likely going to hit that target. We are looking at a 7100. So those of us that have taken advantage of this, you were in the class yesterday and you drew out, or I drew, you should take advantage of that. And if you are in it, hold on, we are going to hit 7100 level, okay? And there is no sign of reversal. So I won't say anything about flip side for now. There's no sign of reversal. But if you are not in this trade, I will advise you not to go in yet. Let's wait. If you are not in this trade, wait for something like this, okay? At this point, there could be a reversal downward. So wait for something like this. But if this does not happen, then you can take a small trade. If price break out of this, then you can take a small trade to this point. You can take a small trade to this point, right? You can take a small trade to this point, to this level. This is a very good level for you also. So if price break out of 0.7100, price to extend to 0.7160 level. Okay, price will extend to 0.7160 level. But if price get to this point and reverse, like a reversal pattern, like what we see here, then there should be a drop back to this trend line. There should be a drop back to this trend line. You can see it. There should be a drop back to this trend line to go and retest this trend line and then take a decision either to break it downward or reverse and move up again. So watch out for this. It's a very, very interesting trade. If you are in that trade, please don't close your trade. You can close some, what's it called? You can close some profit, close some lot size, then allow others to run to that target. All right, that's NZD, UXD today. Let's look at UXD card. USD card, daily time frame for USD card. USD card has not really disappointed us yesterday, but for now, it's still, my bias is still neutral to bullish. My bias is still neutral to bullish for NZD card, USD card. Card is weakening because price of oil is dropping. That's why card is weakening. Price of oil is dropping, and we see commodities. So apart from oil, other commodities are doing well, and more money is also flowing into the stock market this period. All right, so because price of oil is dropping, US dollar might be strong because once Canadian dollar is weakened, US dollar will be strengthening. Once oil price is dropping, US dollar will be strengthening. The reason is because US is the highest consumer of crude, of fuel, of oil in the world, highest consumer of oil in the world. So once there's increase in the price of oil, US dollar will always experience that weakness, okay? But once the price of oil is dropping, US dollar will be strengthening. All right, so for CAD, my resistance is at 1.2575. Yesterday we said our resistance was at 1.2525. Price broke out of that resistance. You can see that was the resistance yesterday that we talked about, 1.2525. Price broke out of that resistance, move up. If you've traded that, you will have made some profit from that resistance we said yesterday. Price broke out of it and moved like 50 pips. Okay, that wouldn't have been a bad trade yesterday. If you have taken advantage of that, that wouldn't have been a bad trade. Okay, now you see price moved up and came back and it's at that resistance, that former resistance yesterday. So price is there playing, and because it's neutral to bullish, it has some bullishness in it. I'm expecting price to test 7.5. Okay, I'm expecting price to test that 7.5 again. Okay, this is at this point. I'm expecting price to test that 7.5 again. Okay, that's my own expectation. Support is at 1.2425. 1.2425. I'm looking at the support at 1.2425. 1.2425. Okay. All right, this is the support, 1.2425. So what we are expecting, if I see a reversal here for CAD, then price should move up. But if there's a breakdown below 1.2525, then we're going to see a downward movement to that level. But let's go down to lower time frame, like 4 hours time frame, and see. Okay, on 4 hours time frame, it has created a level for me to draw my trend line on 4 hours. It has created a level for me to draw my trend line, so I can easily put my trend line here and see what the market is going to do above that trend line. Okay, But if that doesn't even make much sense, let's see with 1 hour time frame and see if there's something we can draw that will make some sense, and see what price we do around that trend line. I love trend line. I told you, okay, so maybe something like this. If it's good, all right. I love trend lines and I love drawing them every day. I love drawing them every day. If you want to learn how to draw trend lines, please attend our class. This is not a good one, so I can't have one there. It's not a good one, but for this, this is it. Okay, for this is it. So we can wait and see what price is likely going to do. We can wait and see what price is likely going to do around this trend line this morning. Let's wait and see what price is likely going to do. So with this trend line, I have some level of confidence. If there's a break below this, because you can see it's like on 1 hour time frame, price is closing below 2525 already. So if there's a break below that trend line, then a clear break below the trend line, then it's time for me to sell it down. Please use your discretion. This is about 90 something pips. So use your discretion. You can take first profit at this level, okay? Then wait for this other level to take the second profit. But wait for a break below this trend line before we see that move downward. But a bounce above this guy will lead us back to 1.2570 level. Okay, thank you very much, guys. That is that. But lastly, before we go, let's look at gold. This is gold, and gold yesterday we said we're expecting a lower move that is neutral to bearish. It happened yesterday. There was this neutral to bearish movement on gold yesterday, but not too much, just little move. Actually, okay, when we're doing the analysis, price was here, so it moved down a little, not too big move, but that little is still something that will have given you some profit. That's about 60 pips profit. Okay, will have given some profit. All right, but what we are seeing now, what we are seeing that gold is doing is called ranging. Gold is ranging, and they're trying to find a perfect direction, which it has not been able to establish. Gold has not been able to establish that perfect direction. But once it gets a good direction, gold is going to take off and move to either direction it takes, either up or down. All right, I'm trying to get the support for you. 1803 is my support this morning. 1803, that's the support, 1803. All right, I can change that to 1805. Let me change it to 1805. That's my support this morning. And my resistance is at 1834. That's my resistance, 1834, 1834, 1834, which is very wide. Okay, I'm on 4 hour time frame. Okay, that's why 1834 or 1835 level. Okay, let me stop at 1830. That's that on that. So with this, you can see gold may decide to trend up or trend down. Okay, but what I'm looking at is gold moving down first, hitting this level before flying up. So that's what I'm expecting. And gold may also decide to go straight to this level. Okay, but if it comes down and hit this point and reverse, it creates a very better opportunity for us to enter that trade and go higher, and a very good place to put a stop loss. But entering here, that will be a big stop loss. But if we wait and it moves down, then before moving up would be a better choice for us, a better decision point for us. But on the other hand, if you go to 1 hour and see what gold is trying to do on 1 hour, okay, this 1 hour time frame, if we draw a trend line, I've seen something already. Okay, if we draw our trend line touching these 2 points, not too strong a trend line, but it's not also a bad one. Not too strong a trend line. Okay. Okay, so you can see, so with this, we have a clear direction. It's just very clear. So we have a clear direction of what gold is likely going to do. All right, so with this, I'm expecting gold to dance, probably dance, touch this trend line, and from here probably fly up. Okay, so let's watch out and see if this is going to happen. Then you got to be very smart. It may not dance down from here now. It might also peak from here and move. Okay, but with what we are seeing from this 1 hour time frame is telling us that okay, it's more of upside than the downside. It's more of upside than the downside. All right, that is what is showing us now, and we can follow through, then make some money out of all this. These are very good opportunities that we have seen together this morning. So take advantage of all this opportunity and smile to the market and smile to your bank, not just the market, smile to your bank and make some good money. All right, that is what we do at CJC Market, showing you all what the market is trying to do, then for you to take a very good trading decision and make some money out of the market, What's the meaning of PM? I've answered that. Yes, when I fund $200, what will be my bonus? Another $200, that will be $400. All right, thank you guys. It's a very nice time this morning with you. I don't know, but I believe there's no question. Please, can you resend the number again? All right, so let me do that. Let me send the number again. This is it. This is the Telegram channel. So click on that and join our Telegram channel so that you can get any of our latest information through that Telegram channel. Then for the number, I'm coming. Let me just get it out. All right, this is the number, the phone number. You can send your name and location to this phone number, and anything you want to open a trading account with CJC Market, put it there, send it to that number, name and location to that number. This is the number 070-3414-6478, 070-3414-6478. That's the phone number. Send your name and location to that number and what you want. You want to open a trading account, send it to that number. What you want a bonus, send it to that number, name, location, and bonus, send to that number. You want copy trade, send it to that number, name, location, copy trade, send it to that number. Then you want someone to handle accounts for you. They are not member of CJC, they are not staff of CJC, they are independent people doing their own stuff. Send name, location, I want someone to trade my account, send it to that number. Anything you want about forex, send it to that number and somebody is going to get in touch with you. If you want to open accounts directly, this is the number for you to open a trading account. If you want to visit our website, cjcmarketsglobal.com. That's our website, cjcmarketsglobal.com. Thank you very much, everybody, and do have a successful trading day. Do have a successful trading day. I know some people are dropping their questions. Please, you can still drop your question so I can just answer your question. Okay, somebody said, please, do you have a physical class? Yes, we have physical class. We have physical class. Our physical class hold in any of our offices, depends on where you are. That's why you must send your name and location. Training. Name, location, training. Name, location. If it's beginner training, put it there, beginner's training. If it is advanced training you want, put it there, advanced training. Our training takes place in our physical office. Our physical training takes place in our physical office. Number in Lagos, if you're in Lagos or Lagos environs, then come to 6th floor, 103 Musheshola House, Allen Avenue, Ikeja. If you are in Port Harcourt or Port Harcourt region, you can go to our office in Port Harcourt, 193, that's 2nd floor, 193 Aba Road, Rumola Junction, Port Harcourt. If you're in Abuja or in Abuja region, you can go to our office in Abuja, number 50, Ademola Adetokunbo Crescent, first floor, Ademola Adetokunbo Crescent, number 50, beside H Medics, Wuse 2, Abuja, Nigeria. All right, so, but if you want online class, if you cannot attend any of our physical class, send it to that number. Online class, send to that number, then your name and location, please. Your name, location, online class, send to that number, then somebody is going to contact you and guide you properly. Okay, how and where can we watch this video again? As I would like to okay, I will upload it in my channel, in my Telegram, in my YouTube channel, then I'll send the link to the Telegram channel. I'll do that today. So once I send the link to the Telegram channel, you have it. Please display the number again. I put it already in the number and the Telegram link. Okay, I put it in the chat group. You can see it there. That's the chat, to open an account, and the number is 070-3414-6478. It's in the chat box. 070-3414-6478. That is the Telegram link above the number, and below the number is the link to open a trading account. Okay, I want to see how I'll be making money live and direct. Welcome, welcome on board. This is how we do it, and this is how we make money from the market. It's so simple. It's just a matter of time. Once you become an expert, you know exactly what to do. Trading decision will be very simple. Thanks. God bless you too, Mr. Ayoade. Thank you very much. Everybody, thank you this morning, and I'm happy to have you all, guys. Thank you very much. If you have any question, don't fail to send message to that number also, and we'll contact you. God bless you all. Have a very wonderful and successful trading week. Tomorrow is another day, 7:30 a.m. Nigerian time. We meet and do the analysis again so that we can make much money from the market. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Mr. Jeffrey. Thank you, Mr. Gillian. Thank you, Mr. Fatu. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all. Have a successful trading day. My name remains Dixon Okungbeni, and bye for now.